Hello YouTube, what's going on? This is Jeblados here. I'm gonna be doing some cooking tonight and I'm gonna be showing you some tricks as well. Um, Hope it's gonna be a great night because I managed to finish my work early tonight and I want to do what I love, do some cooking, do some chat and talk to you guys and make some videos. So let's get started here. Let me show you some of my gear. It takes much to start the fire and prepare food. And I got my beautiful potatoes, some paprika and pepper mixed, my salt, and my cast iron. I have a little melted butter in there in the cup. I have a little pond on my table. That's not my part of the gear. And yes, I'm gonna be showing you. I got this flint and steel, and apparently the clothes inside need to be charred. So I'm gonna show you how to char the clothes at the same time. Let's light up lanterns of my boot. There we go. Isn't this cool, guys? If you want to see how I made this match striker, please check my video list and I'll put a link in the description. Let me see. Go. Let it be light and let planes fly. I'm trying to chop some pieces of it to make it easier to start up the fire. There you go. Turn around. That oil lamp doesn't smell so good, but it does the job. So okay, a little bit more, and we should be good to go. I have managed to chop some really nice tinder, and it's not like bone dry, but still gonna do the job. Let's try this out. Ready? Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's it. This should be more than enough. So we have our tinder. It's time to light up the fire. Everything underneath here is so wet. I'm trying to create a dry base. Okay. So I'll get all this shavings ready. I have my twigs. Let's do it. There we got the fire. These things over carefully. Worked out pretty good, huh? Well, guys, my fire is a little bit weak for now because everything's wet, but we are running steady and it's gonna take some time. It's not that cold today. It's been damp for like 3 or 4 days, and we should be good to go here in like 30 minutes, and I'll catch you then. I'm gonna prepare my potatoes, and it's gonna be camping or grandma style. You know, I'm not gonna peel them. Just cut them like a country style, if you would. I call it grandma style, and they come out absolutely delicious. So my camera just fell out because of my shaky table. Try to be more careful. And cut my last one. And here we go again. I had 2 camera rollouts. Okay, finally I'm done, and we can actually season our grandma or country potatoes. Let's see, put them flat just like that, and I will use paprika and pepper. And the salt, of course. And same for all, and same for the other side, right? I'm seasoning it with both sides. I'm just not sure if all of these gonna fit. Actually, I'm sure that they won't fit, but we're gonna figure out something about it. Here we go. You're ready? Let's check the fire. The fire's ready. We're gonna be good to go. Our fire is, now running all right, and we're gonna have good calls soon, I hope. Here comes the plane again. So we have some calls, and I think finally we can put our pan over. Okay, just roll my pan over to warm it up. A little melted butter. And we are ready to rock and roll. Oh yeah. And yeah, guys, don't forget to check my playlist for some wood crafting. Sounds and smells good. Okay, time to turn. Oh, look at the color. Good, good, good. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I can smell the paprika already. Quite a challenge, huh? Turn this on. Right, guys, we are kinda ready over here. Okay, let me show you this beauty. But this beauty is hot, so I'm gonna put it somewhere here. It's time to serve the dinner. I had to share some of my grandma campers potatoes with my family, so I'm gonna have 3. And moment of truth, whoever waited for so long, thank you. I'm gonna be doing more videos because you guys are there. Oh my god, this is hot. It is absolutely gorgeous, but we need a little salt, little under salted. Let's try again. One more try. That's what I'm talking about. Whoever likes this grandma or campers potatoes, it's just really easy. As I said, don't peel them off, wash off the skin and fry them with the skin. Use some pepper, salt and paprika. As that's pretty much it. Fry them. You're gonna see the difference. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Guys, as I said, I got this cloth over here and I'm gonna show you how to char the cloth. It's really simple. Either you make a small hole over here, and I think this should be good because, you know, it's not so tight, so air cannot escape. So it should be all right. You just put it on a coals and there you go. If need to be, you just turn it over. Meanwhile, I'm making some bacons and I'm gonna be frying some eggs over the skillet over here. And when we're done, I'm gonna just move it over the coals. So that's pretty much it. Okay, we got our second dish ready, and we will continue to char this cloth. But please make sure don't overdo it. You gotta check every maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Let's see what we have. No, not ready. It's still white. It should be all pitch black. So we're gonna leave it over here for a little while. Okay, let's check if we have this ready. Wow, this is looking good now.